Let's check out probably the best affordable dog hair clippers that I have ever seen. So, and this is what the box of them look like. And also they actually come with loads of different accessories as well. So I actually purchased these from AliExpress, and you can probably find them using this like listing. Basically, I will leave a link in description where you can get them. So for the full kit, they are like even less than $10. Actually, when I purchased them, they were even cheaper. And if you want to purchase just this trimmer, it's like only $6 or $7. So it's actually incredibly cheap. Okay, first let's check out all the accessories that actually comes with this clipper. First you get this comb included. By the way, this is again this kit that comes with all the accessories. Again, there are some basically which only comes with this like clipper itself, but it's only like $2 or $3 for all these accessories, so not a bad deal. So basically actually very sturdy metal comb of different size, like gaps, and also like these nail clippers as well. I'm not exactly sure what this thing is them on basically. So we can also unlock them, so for storage as well, like this. And I have actually tried them on my cat to cut his nail, and actually they do a fairly decent job actually. So actually nice tool as well. We get like charger cable, so it actually is rechargeable. And also we get even scissors. So the scissors probably, yeah, aren't probably the most premium looking, but actually when we check the cutting quality, they actually are super sharp. So yeah, these actually are really decent scissors when I actually checked out. So from the look, maybe the build quality, they do not pay a premium, but actually when you use them and when you cut something with them, yeah, they actually perform extremely well. Also inside the box we also get a nail file like this, so for your pet's nails. I guess you can even do your own nails as well with this. Yeah, Alper's also pretty decent. Then also these various attachments for the clipper itself, so you have different sizes, so 4 different attachments, and also they're numbered over here. And we also get a tiny cleaning brush like this to clean out basically the clipper. So let's check out the clipper itself, and this is what it looks like. So size wise, maybe it's like 25 centimeters, something like that. So it's definitely not large. So yeah, actually really good size. So we get the on-off switch slider basically. So, and basically this is what it looks like. So also we get that light. Then also here we have this adjustable ring basically that we can twist to actually change the height of basically the cutter itself. So if we change it to like 0, you can see it pretty much doesn't protrude. But when we go to the like 2 millimeter, you can see it protrudes way more. So, and yeah, basically this part appears to be metal. Basically this blade here, so it's like golden, like painted like stuff. So yeah, it's a bit dirty. I have already used it a bit. And basically also this other part, I think it's ceramic actually, so it's not metal, but it's some kind of ceramic, probably this like white cutter. So I'm not sure if this can be actually sharpened, so maybe not, I'm not sure. So but actually these blades, these type of blades actually, yeah, they can actually last for fairly long time. And on the bottom of the unit you can see you have your charger port, and this can be charged from like any USB basically. So we can plug it in basically, and plug it in basically in any like maybe computer or like a wall adapter as well. So yep, actually really cool. And let me show you one more cool thing. So when you actually open this battery compartment, we actually get this 1865 battery cell inside over here. So maybe not the highest capacity, but really this is actually like super common like battery cells that you can easily replace if this ever goes wrong. So yeah, this can actually last you for a very long time. because like other clippers actually have the inbuilt batteries and you can't even change them, but on this one, yep, if basically if it fails after some years, the battery, you can easily purchase a new one for only a couple dollars. So yep, and also the capacity, and this runs at 3.7 volts, so it actually has some power actually compared to other clippers which use like standard AA batteries or something like that. There actually are clippers like that in the market. And when it comes to the cutting quality itself, actually I was super impressed with this unit. So actually I have like a kind of expensive like a cutter, old school one with like leads that you plug in your wall, and that unit cost like 100 euros or a bit more, so it was high-end unit. But really, when it comes to the cutting quality, I really can't even tell the difference between the two. So again, this actually has some decent power, and also it doesn't even like puts out like super heavy sound when you actually use it. Obviously your pet still obviously will hear it, but actually some other cutters I have tried like vibrate even more than this. So again, this is like the cheapest cutter, but still it doesn't even vibrate that crazy. Probably you could hear in the video how it sounds, but again, it's not like terrible. So maybe some like pets that are easily scared can get actually scared from some of these cutters, but again, this isn't actually that bad. And also the cutting blade itself also is actually very sharp, at least at the moment while it's still new. And basically when you try to cut something, it actually cuts like absolutely with zero problems. So yeah, at least while it's still like fresh and new, it actually cuts extremely well. And again, when it actually comes to the sound of this unit, my dog doesn't even like literally cares about this much, so he's actually used to these cutters. But again, the sound and vibration that this like outputs actually isn't that bad. By the way, I will try to make a full video of how I cut my dog after a few months. At the moment I do not actually want to cut my dog because yeah, it's winter actually, but actually I have tried this on myself, so yep, you can even shave it with yourself as well. And again, the cutting quality is actually really decent, and basically it cuts actually really well. So actually there's pretty much like zero problems whatsoever, so it's actually super sharp. Also you can see I can like easily like touch my hands, and again yeah, it actually performs really well. Do not even really have to worry about cutting yourself or your pet actually when you use this thing. Also, what I really like about this machine as well is that these attachments actually like snap on actually really secure, and basically locking a mechanism on these is actually super secure. So if you actually have tried like other cutters with these attachments, sometimes they can even like fly off as you cut, so, and they do not hold well. But this is actually super solid, so it's actually problematic sometimes to even get them off, but once they're on, yeah, it actually like, yeah, it's super secure as well. And again, you can do a lot of things with these. You have 4 different sizes basically for whatever basically you need. And again, you can snap them on, but again, it takes some force, so actually super secure. So actually, yeah, I'm actually super impressed how they have actually managed to make such a device at that price. Again, I literally paid for this thing like $7, I think, with all that kit. But on its own, sometimes during some AliExpress offers, you can pick up this for like the bare unit itself for like literally $5 or $6. So that's absolutely crazy. If you go in any shop, if you want to like purchase a cordless cutter like this, they will ask you literally like $200 even some. So obviously you can see that the plastic is kind of a bit like not the most premium obviously, but still I really can't complain, especially at this price. Yeah, I really have no idea how they have like accomplished. And again, it even comes with this battery. If you want to purchase one of these batteries, the battery alone actually might cost what this whole unit with the battery comes. So actually insanely good deal. So again, if you're actually watching this video after a few months of this release, then maybe check my other videos. I'll probably make a video of how I actually cut my dog with this thing and show you actually demo. But really, when you compare like a little like 20 times more expensive unit, I really can't even feel difference when it comes to the cutting quality itself and how fast it cuts and how sharp the blades are actually. So absolutely amazing kinda. Also, yeah, they include a kit, especially these like nail clippers. Again, if you want to purchase these separately somewhere in local shop, they'll even often ask you like $10 or $15 for these things alone. But yeah, actually include the here for free. By the way, if anyone actually knows what this thing is actually used for on these clippers, can you let me know in the comments? By the way, actually these cutters actually come under different brands as well, so they actually may be some kind of a different packaging, but really do not even need to care as long as it basically is this model. There are actually like maybe 10 different brands, but they simply like put on their own logo, so it doesn't really matter which one you purchase, as long as this it's this shape with this basically like attachment and this looks like this, they are really the same, and you do not even need to like pay extra if someone asks you more. Anyway, I will actually leave a link in description where you can get these and where I actually purchased mine from for the cheapest price. Anyway, good luck.